Question of the day. I get a lot of questions. What is this online business? It is similar to a franchise but without heavy franchise fee. No physical location or inventory. Isn't it great? You are given a done for you platform, an automated system, plus a step-by-step video training and a mentorship. So you are not walking alone in this journey. Your system works in the background while you're focusing on learning other things, especially on this business. So just like me, I'm a nurse and I could also serve and show with integrity on my business. So what is this business all about? Well, we are partnered with an established billion-dollar company that provides a high-value products. When sales are made, we earn high-ticket commissions ethically and transparently. We will show it to you. So instead of chasing people, we use attraction marketing through social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, name it. And the best part is really there's no bugging of friends or relatives. No pressure, just really showing up authentically or just being you, allowing yourself the right people to find you. Social media is a big platform, so it gives us a global market. So this is a legitimate and registered business that operates properly. Why? Because we pay taxes. I bet you this is legal, using modern tools guided by faith to create income, freedom, and impact. So this is not an accident. If you see these videos, go ahead and my link is on my page, and if you're interested to learn more, just send me a message or registered on my website ang www.lisaandharry.co.uk and watch for the free webinar. See you inside!